Hi, I'm James from ChamSys here at InfoComm 2026, and if you've not heard, ChamSys has a brand called GeNetix, which is networking and data distribution. We're going to focus on looking at the GeNetix nodes, but in the GeNetix range we have switches, nodes, PoE devices. The GeNetix nodes, let's look at the GN10 here. It's our 10-port node, and yes, it's a standard node, supports all the standard common protocols, ARPANET, StreamACN to DMX, in or out. We've added some nice unique features, so GeNetix nodes are suitable for both install, live use and many other applications. This one here has 5-pin outputs, but we do have a GN10 PNR which changes the outputs to either screw terminal or RJ45 for fixed install. We have a web server which runs on the GeNetix node, so you can remotely configure your GeNetix node from any web browser. They're also fully configurable via Magic Queue as well, where we can do things like firmware update and change all the settings as well. GeNetix nodes feature many different features as well as the traditional ARPANET, StreamACN to DMX. They have onboard scene storage. We can store 10 static lighting scenes on the node, so you could use this as a simple house light control system without a console. We have products in the GeNetix range like our 10-button wall plates, which integrate with the node, plug directly in, and you can run as a completely standalone house light system with a wall controller, plug in the console then takes over. We also have things like contact triggers, and unique to GeNetix is we have MIDI and timecode on the nodes. You can take MIDI and timecode into the node and send it via network off to your console. So do come and see us here at InfoComm or check out the ChamSys website, chamsys.co.uk, for more information about GeNetix.